everyone, this is Maryann, and thanks for coming back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here. Today I am at Bassy Falls with my friend Kathy. This is our first hike together, and I think we'll be doing more.
Definitely, definitely.
But we're here to check out the falls. It's beautiful right now. There's lots of runoff. I don't expect it will last much longer, so if you want to get up here and hike this, be sure you come soon. This is all spring runoff and it won't last long. It's melting fast. Well, some more big trees. Wow, look at all these. How sad. I always hate seeing these falling. Yeah, that must have been a big blow. They're all down up here. Wow. Here comes Kathy. Another blow down. A big one. Oops. That was a big tree. Took another one with it. Okay, don't pull the tree down. Yeah, I wouldn't trust it. Yeah. You got it! Yay!
think we're just ruining track.
Yeah, off trail. Although there's,
That way you kind of want to cut this
let's
way.
wind up that way.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, fun fact. When you see rocks like this, and these that are kind of erratically scattered, these are called glacier erratics. They were deposited by none other than a glacier. Kind of cool. I think I talked about that in one of my other videos when I was down on the North Lake South Lake Loop, and there were tons of these boulders like this. You also see these around Silver Lake. There's some big flat sections of granite that have the glacier erratics on them, and some of them are as big as a house. The power of Mother Nature, ice and water. Yeah, it's probably a game trail. Looks good to me.
Easier than what we did.
Yeah, for sure. We don't need to be scrambling up those big granite boulders like we were. No, you're good. This is nice and slick up here.
I'm just gonna run.
Oh, and that's what happens. Yeah, this is a lot easier going up than going down. Yeah. Yeah, you got about halfway around.
Did I?
Yeah.
I'll be called the tree hugger now.
Yeah. Kathy, the tree hugger. I'll be sure to hashtag that. There's so many trails up here. We'll get there eventually. We just know the general direction. Yeah. Looks like a nice little campsite. Some pretty little wildflowers on the trail. So pretty. Reminds me of my mama. Paybacks. Kathy and I just finished our hike, and we are here at the lovely Loon Lake, and we had a really nice hike. We did around 6 miles, about 800 feet of elevation gain. We had a beautiful trip out there. We went up over and behind the waterfall. If you do that hike, please be careful about where you're stepping. I would assume that as the weather warms up, we're going to have more snakes out there, and you don't want to step on a rattlesnake. So be careful. Water is probably only going to last about a month or so before all this snow is melting, because we have such a low snow year this year. So please keep that in mind. This is April 18th or 19th or something like that. So get here soon so you can enjoy this hike. The waterfall is spectacular. The hike is relatively easy, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun. Be sure you check out Kathy's channel. I'm going to link it below in the description. So go and check out her video and all the others, because she's been on some pretty amazing hikes. Hopefully we'll have a backpacking trip soon.
Yep.
All right.
First time.
All right. So I hope you enjoy this. Be sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.